Today I'm going to be sharing with you my packing list for France so you can have classic style for travel. If you've ever wanted to know how to look chic with just a carry-on, plus what to wear in Europe in the summer, then this video is for you. Before we get started, I have a very special free thing for you, and it is my exact packing list for Paris, and it has over 60 plus resource links just for you. I worked really hard on creating this list, and you can grab it right up here or in the description box below, and you will not be disappointed. Stay tuned to the end because I have a very special and unique thing I'm bringing with me to Paris that you may never have even thought of before, but it might make your trip that much more special. Now, before we move on, a lot of you have left me comments here on YouTube and on Instagram and Facebook about how I need to consider packing even lighter than I was expecting to because I may want to do some shopping in Paris, which is very smart, which is why I love you guys. So thank you for that, and I have taken your advice and I've pared it way down with the exception of shoes. I talked about a similar pair of shoes in my last video, but these are kind of the cousin of, or the sister of, the Sam Edelman Felicia, which were like the most comfortable ballet flats I've ever tried on in my life. They were sold out in my size, so I tried on these Circus from Sam Edelman as well. A little bit more affordable actually, and also very comfortable. A different kind of feel, but still great and classic. And they also come in loads and loads of colors and styles, so you can definitely find something that fits your personal style. Where would a girl be without her makeup kit? So I've got mine here. It's just a canvas makeup kit with a zipper. Got all my makeup and toiletries in there. This is large enough to fit even my travel toiletries, and I don't have to worry about TSA rejecting me. They're all going to fit right in here, and it's just a tip for packing light. The cool thing is that I actually designed this little canvas pouch, and you can get one in my Etsy shop, which is linked in the description box right below. I think these are super sweet and very practical. Like I said, shoes, I'm not gonna scale back on shoes, I just can't. They are one of my most favorite accessories, and I think they can change up an outfit really easily. I was able to score these Converse very gently used at a consignment shop here in Knoxville for about $4, so it was quite a steal. I also quite like that they're a light gray and a white with a black stripe. That means that I can put them with a lot of different things and not have to worry about it matching. You definitely want a waterproof or near waterproof shoe while you're in Paris, just in case it rains. I've picked out these semi-waterproof suede boots, and they are synthetic soles, so they're not gonna get soppy on my feet. This suede is really thick actually, and so it's not going to get overly wet and saturated. And it's okay if suede gets wet, it's bound to get wet. You can use water resistant spray on your suede. Go for it if you really want to, or you can just wear leather boots or even rain boots in a similar style. The more important thing to me is the comfort of the shoe. So you want to stick to a lowerish heel. These are only 2.5-inch heels, so it's not crazy high. This straw bag is a thrift store find, and what I love about it is that it has a zipper on the top. So that means that I can keep it very close to me, don't have to worry about people trying to pickpocket me, and I can hold on to it really tightly. So I love this straw bag. It's going to help me a lot because I can carry my makeup, my passport, I can carry my water bottle and my umbrella in there and feel totally set. And just in case I want to go to the farmer's market or something like that while we're there, because we plan on making some of our meals in our apartment, I have my tote bag here, which is also one of the designs in my Etsy shop, which you can check out. But it's just a nice, very lightweight canvas tote bag, and it's going to do double duty. I can also put my dirty laundry in there if I need to, and or leave it as a gift for my hostess. Okay, now we can move on to the clothes, which I'm really excited to talk about. And the next item is very special and it's very secretive, okay? But it is a sexy lace bodysuit, and I will show it to you right now. It is so gorgeous, and I cannot wait to wear this. I think it could be something I could wear underneath a heavier blouse, or, you know, just around town with a t-shirt or black blazer or something like that. It's very comfortable and it was really hard for me to find, and I will be sure to leave links to all of these things in the description box below, so definitely check there. Like I said, you guys are encouraging me to pack a little lighter, and so I've decided to only bring one pair of jeans. It is a medium wash or dark wash denim. They are kind of what you would call a toothpick cut, so they're straight-legged and slightly skimming my ankle. They're very cute, and you saw me wearing them in the last video, so be sure to go there and check them out if you're interested. These are super comfortable and they're going to go with me throughout the whole trip, and I really don't think I'm going to need more than one pair of jeans while I'm there, even a dark wash denim, which I might consider purchasing while in Paris. So if you want to see what I end up buying or what I'm shopping for, be sure to follow me on Instagram. Okay, this item is really special, and the reason it's special is because I'm going to be renewing my vows in it. It is just a lovely lace suit. It is vintage from Alberta Ferretti for Philosophy, and it comes with a mini skirt, which I'm a huge fan of. So yes, I will be posting loads of pictures. You don't have to have a white lace suit. You obviously don't have to go that intense. That's a special item, but you could do something like a white lace blouse that's made out of cotton or linen, and it's got some embroidery or some eyelets. That's so beautiful, and I think that would be such a good pick for you if you are going to Paris or to France or even anywhere in Europe. This may seem like a lot of black coming up, so I'm going to start off with one of my gray tops, and it is just a basic gray t-shirt that I'll be wearing probably underneath a blazer with jeans, and I will be taking this blouse that I'm wearing as well. So I've got this t-shirt, the gray one, and I also have this black t-shirt. Very simple, just need to make sure that the basics are interchangeable and that you can throw a blazer on over the top, and it just kind of goes with everything. So you don't have to really think about what you're wearing. All the pieces just mix and match. For a fancier look, I am definitely going to be taking with me my Everlane silk button-up. It is so comfortable and it is hand washable, so if I feel like I need to wash it while I'm there, I definitely can. I love this beautiful blouse, and it has been one of the best purchases I have made from Everlane, hands down. Okay, you guys, we are getting super close to the end. We only have 2 more items left, if you can believe it, and the bonus item that will definitely make your trip a little more special. I was on the fence about this blouse because I am bringing a lot of tops, but I think tops can change up the outfit even if you're wearing the same thing on the bottom. This blouse is very fancy for evening, and it's got a lot going on, but I really love it. I got it at the consignment store. It still has the tag, and it's just this beautiful lace, long sleeves, and this lovely kind of pleated ruching or whatever. I don't even know if that's what it's called. Anyhow, this blouse I think would be great for dressing up just a little bit more while you're out and about. You could wear it with a black skirt, you could wear it with black jeans if you wanted to, but try to think of bringing at least one blouse that's a little fancier so that you can go have a really nice dinner out and about. And I chose lace with long sleeves because it can go both for cool weather and for hot weather. You could always pair it with a blazer. Speaking of blazers, that is the last clothing item, and it is a must-have if you're gonna be in France or even in the United States. I mean, I wear blazers all the live long day and I can't get enough of them, but a classic black blazer is an essential, I think, in anybody's wardrobe. So here's my black blazer. I got it from the consignment shop, and it's just got simple tailoring, one black button, and it is super comfortable and machine washable, so you cannot go wrong with that. Okay, you've made it to the end of the video, and I want to show you a special something that I picked up at the thrift store. And I was hesitant about whether or not to bring it with me to Paris, but I absolutely think it's gonna make my trip a little more special, and that is a vintage camera. It is a 35mm camera Minolta, and it's automatic focus, automatic flash, and it just takes super sweet and special photos. And I was thinking, how much fun would it be to capture a few memories from the trip, not on my iPhone, but really something more permanent and lasting that I can print out and have framed and just have something a little more special, and I think it will make Paris seem even more beautiful than it is, if that is even possible. Okay, good job for making it all the way to the end of this video. I'm so grateful for you. If you liked it, definitely give it a thumbs up, and if you're not yet a subscriber, consider becoming a subscriber, because I will be leaving for Paris probably as you're watching this video, and you will be sure to get loads of style inspiration, street style from Paris, and even more. Before you go, let me know in the comments below what you would like my next video to be about. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next week.